Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a creamy, flavorful, and carnivore-friendly tomato-free red sauce recipe. This one's a real treat. It's made with butter, chicken bone broth, cream cheese, and a touch of paprika for that beautiful red color. It's the perfect sauce for your carnivore-friendly pasta or any other meat-based dish. All that coming right up. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, which forms the rich base of our sauce, half cup of chicken bone broth to add some savory depth, 2 ounces of cream cheese to make it extra creamy, and 3 teaspoons of paprika to give it that stunning red color. Simple, tasty, and carnivore approved. We're going to start by melting the butter in our pan over medium heat. This will give our sauce a rich, silky texture and a ton of flavor. Butter is a carnivore staple, so it's perfect for this recipe. As the butter melts, it's going to get slightly golden and fragrant. You don't want to burn it, so keep an eye on the heat. Next, we're going to add the chicken bone broth. The broth adds that savory umami flavor while keeping the sauce light and full of nutrients. It's a great way to balance the richness of the butter. Let the butter and broth simmer for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to combine and the broth to slightly reduce. This forms the base of our sauce. Now, for that creamy texture, we're going to add the cream cheese. This will make the sauce smooth and velvety, and who doesn't love a bit of creaminess in their pasta sauce? As the cream cheese melts into the sauce, it thickens everything up nicely and gives it that rich, luscious texture. You'll want to stir until the cream cheese is completely melted and well incorporated. Now, to give this sauce that gorgeous red color, we'll add the paprika. Not only does it add color, but it also brings a subtle smoky flavor that takes this sauce to the next level. Just a little paprika goes a long way. Stir it in and watch how the sauce transforms into a beautiful reddish-orange color. It really gives that classic pasta sauce look, but keeps everything in line with the carnivore diet. Let the sauce simmer for another minute or two to ensure everything blends together smoothly. The butter, cream cheese, and paprika create a rich, creamy sauce that's full of flavor. And there you have it. This rich, velvety, carnivore-friendly red sauce is perfect for any of your favorite meat-based pasta dishes. Whether it's beef noodles, chicken-based pasta, or even just poured over some grilled meat. The creaminess from the cream cheese, the richness from the butter, and that little pop of color and flavor from the paprika all come together to make a sauce that's both visually appealing and absolutely delicious. I hope you love this easy recipe for a carnivore-friendly, tomato-free red sauce. It's creamy, flavorful, and so versatile. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious carnivore recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.